So I'll do a little quick video actually because the spark plug was really hot, I guess, or well, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Anyway, after that just that little rev there, I'm gonna do a little heat test to see what the temperatures of the motor is. So I got my trusty gun, temperature gun, and we can just check here by laser radar, I guess. 64. That's just right in the hole there. You can see 70 degrees. I took the spark plug out, by the way. Instead of what, you guys don't have to watch me take it out. I just took it out so we can kind of get an idea of what the temperature of the spark plug is. So 73 degrees. Exhaust manifold 47. Intake manifold, just the intake itself, 33. That's roughly ambient temperature in here. Diffuser 37. So that's not too bad, I guess. I just thought I'd do this little video for you. I got obviously more settings I need to do when I need to take it out. I just can't because I've got some new tires on this, new tires on order, because these are done. Yeah, it's got quite a few cracks in the actual tire itself, in the wall. So I'm gonna change the tire, put new tubes on the front and the back before I take this out. I'm not gonna take any chances. It's only 2 inches basically of rubber in width. So the idea is obviously to be safe. It's a hobby, we enjoy it, and the funnest part is actually after we build it and take it out. But for now, I am actually very impressed with the stock head. And you can see it's all a stock head. And in my previous videos, I've shown you what I've done. Not much work, just porting, no polishing. I opened up the intake manifold. That was opened up, obviously, to allow the intake to properly deliver the fuel into the motor. And obviously, I raised it 3 gaskets. But with this basic setup, I gotta say, I am actually very impressed, because it would never do 8,000. It wouldn't even hit 8. It would hit about between 7,000 and 8,000. That was the top. Right now it's another 3,000 RPM. So when I take this to the road, the bike's gonna do what I expect it to do. Just off of a stock head. I will go to an iron sleeve though, because in one of my previous videos, I've shown you that I think it's called nickel, it's worn out on the inside of the cylinder, and I'm still running it. This thing has over 500 kilometers on it, and it still runs just like that. So if you're worried about the polishing inside of the cylinder, I wouldn't really worry, because this is proof. And after I do change that cylinder underneath there, that jug, I'll show you what the conditions and what it looks like after I'm done. But I am running synthetic AMS oil, 2-stroke oil, and I'm running 89 octane inside of here, because just based on the compression, that's the fuel that I need. I'm running 100 psi compression. So that based on that kind of compression, that's all you need is 89 octane. I put a little bit of actually I didn't even mix it. It's just 89 octane and the 2-stroke oil. It doesn't smoke too bad, which is good. Everything seems to be burning up pretty well. As for the exhaust manifold, here's an update, I guess. We can do this part as well. But I'm using the copper ring style instead of the gasket. I just don't think the gaskets work as well, especially for sealing the exhaust gases. I don't get any smoke coming from this area, and there's no spatter No spatter from the exhaust, so it seems to be flowing very well. I might have to torque these a little bit more, but other than that, I'm gonna update you after I get this thing out for a good run and see what happens with this copper gasket. But that's for now. You can see this is the Black Bandit bike, and everything is trial and error because it is a hobby, but this is what we do, guys. We have fun with this thing. So anyway, in my next video, I guess I'll let you know what I'm doing. So just stay tuned, and remember, if you are interested in a Black Bandit box, there it is. I remove this. That's the key. This is the key right here, folks, to the connection of the CDI and the magneto. Just using the same parts that we buy our bike with versus going out and buying an actual cast case just to get electronic timing. I've already shown you, you don't need to get the cast or the case. You can do it just by owning one of these, the Black Bandit box. So if you do want to get a hold of me on this particular video, I'll leave my email there. You just email me and let me know. I make these personally. Probably someday I will put them up on Amazon or something, I don't know. But for now, just email me, let me know if you're interested. I'll send you out a schematic of how to wire the Black Bandit box, the CDI, to the magneto. And then from there, it's all gravy, folks. So, stay tuned. Black Bandit bike.